Hey, I want to tell everyone about this, what I'm calling the Lara-Banana Bowl. So it's based on the Larabar and bananas, and then two other ingredients. So basically, the bananas, chopped up bananas, chopped up Larabar, agave drizzled on top, and then cinnamon. That's organic. I actually like the regular cinnamon a little bit better, but really like it. I'll chop up bananas, chop the Larabar, and then drizzle it on top. A lot of it, one of the inspirations for this was just cereal. Cereal uses wheat. Cereal is very tasty. Why is it tasty? Because they add sugar and they add cinnamon, they add chocolate, and maybe a infused banana. So I just sort of swap out the wheat, which no one would eat on its own, and I put in bananas, which is a great base, and then I add in the Larabar, which also is very base and dense and filling. So then I look at what the cereals are adding. So, and like, I'm not going to add sugar, so I added agave as a substitute. And then I added cinnamon because I love cinnamon, but I would recommend just looking at, whatever your favorite cereal is and adding those ingredients on top of bananas. One thing I like about that, and you could swap out the Larabar, I'm using the chocolate chip cookie dough one, but there's like at least 10 varieties, and I chop it up real fine into like little sort of very small pieces. And then also, like, anyway, you get it. And then the last thing I want to mention is just sort of the comparison between sort of a smoothie and this. A smoothie is very convenient, but it can be a very high sugar spike, and whereas a banana is sort of plain, or even a Larabar becomes plain. So this is sort of right in the middle between like chewing, just a whole item, and a smoothie. Chopping it up and dicing it. It's used in other things, so why not use it here? So I really recommend it. So anyway, I highly recommend it. I am calling it the Lara-Banana Bowl, and I hope you enjoy it.